Hi, it's Emily from WTA.
Look at the size of this bag of koi food. If you're tired of constantly having to buy tiny bags of fish food from the pet store, you should definitely check out this giant bag of koi food from the Big Kahuna koi fish food store. This bag will last you an entire season, and the convenience of having it delivered to your door is just unmistakable. You can tell that our fish really love this fish food, and it's designed to produce increased growth in your fish. So it's got the perfect amount of protein and plenty of nutrition to help them be healthy and thriving and develop great color. Our fish are not only loving this fish food, but they are growing a ton. Most of the goldfish in there were the tiny little 18-cent goldfish when we bought them, and they have grown so much on this fish food. If you're looking for a high quality fish food with the convenience of a bulk packaging, then this is definitely one that you should check out from the Big Kahuna Tropical Fish Store. We've been really, really happy with it.
But that's my point of view.